The materials that you'll need for this project are many different objects of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Go on a hunt around your house and see how many different colors you can find. Next, sort your objects by color. Make a pile of red objects, a pile of orange objects, a pile of yellow objects, a pile of green objects, a pile of blue objects, and a pile of purple objects. It may help to organize your object piles in the order of a rainbow. Finally, arrange all of your piles into a color wheel. It might help to look at a picture of a color wheel while you're doing it to make sure everything's in its right place. Think about the size and shape of each object as you're sorting. Think about balance and variety. If you can, take a photograph of your work.